Hello, hello. Papa, ikaw ba yan? Huh? Or, I will just share our live and we will be proceeding with these gorgeous items, okay? Joy, nandyan ka na pala. Akala ko si Kuya Gary mo. Hello. Oo, kasi medyo bitin kasi Joy pag nag 5 to 7 ako. So, sabi ko baka yung mga Eastern time may manood kasi nagrereklamo na sila sa akin ba't hindi daw ako nag-aaga. O, kaya napupuyat daw sila. Okay. So, nasa work ka pa ba, Joy? Joy, kung gusto mo yung mga bracelet, Joy, ha? Hello, Papa. Kung gusto mo yung mga bangles, Joy, 1 piece lang yun. Bigay ko sa iyo ng bigyan kita ng bundle doon. Okay? So, huwag ka mag-alala. Tapos, meron ka pang 10% VIP, Joy. Diba? May every purchase, diba? So, blessing you. Ang Joy, isa lang yun per color. So, just let me know, Joy, ha? I-reserve ko lang. Yes, ate. Sa office pa. Nasa office pa daw si Joy. Okay, Joy. Sige. Mag-share muna ako. Okay. I think we have 3 viewers now. Ang aga ko nga. Yes. Ay, nako. Joy, sa 6 lang. 6 lang ang available. 6 lang. Talagang yung aking, Joy, yung aking, ang aking supplier, hinanap niya talaga. Ang hirap daw talaga. Ang mahal, Joy. Actually, super, super mahal. So, ewan ko bakit mahal ang rose gold. Okay, I only have 6 colors, Joy. Ayan, Joy, oh. I have the red na rose gold. Oh my goodness gracious. Ang ganda. Tapos, Joy, ha? Ano to? Pihit ito. Yung katulad nung original ng hindi natin pwedeng i-ganun lang. So, yeah. Ito nahihirapan ako sa ganito. Kasi yung kamay ko pagka matanda na. Ayan, Joy, ha? Ipipihit mo. Ang ganda. Okay, so, I have the red. I have the black. I have this new color. Sandali, isa-isahin ko. Bago ako mag-share, pakita ko na sa'yo. Kasi baka bumalik ka na sa work. Okay, so, I have the red. I have the black. Ganda, oh, Joy. Okay, ang ganda niya. All rose gold. I'm not so sure kung maganda siya sa lighting. Kung nakikita siya na rose gold. Parang nag-iiba siya, but here sa akin, rose gold na rose gold. I think yung lighting ko And this is a new color. Oh my goodness, this one is so gorgeous. Okay, so how much for take all? Sandali, Joy, ha? Kasi bibigyan kita ng Joy. Okay lang ba sa iyo, Joy? Ay, sandali lang, ha? Joy, bigyan kita ng 135, take all. Okay? 135, take all. Less pa yung VIP discount mo of 10%. Okay? So, instead of paying 150 yata for the 6 pieces, tama ba ako? Kasi 25 siya. 25 times 6. So, 150, I'll give it to you 135 bundle. Plus your VIP. Because your VIP, you have 10%. Okay? Just let me know if you want. Okay? Joy, ito na lang talaga. Wala na akong ilalabas. Actually, wala nga ako kasi she only gave me 1. Nagkakaubusan. So, ito yon. Pakita ko lang sa'yo. Hi! I have 5 already. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-share. But I have 5 viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you for everyone na nandyan. You can definitely tell it's rose gold. Mine take all rose gold click-clack. Ayan, this is click-clack. Okay? So, this one is click-clack. Ayan ang color. This is a new color, Joy. Okay, and this one is also a new color. Hold on, this one. The pink, the parang peach pink siya. So, I only have 6 available colors. So, this one is all yours. Can you please say, mine 135, take all? Joy? So, I have a record. Mine 135, take all. Thank you, Joy. So, I have Buena Mano. Hi, Aji! Aji, you're there. How are you? Aji, love it. I know, Joy. This is one of a kind. At saka, I'm actually, you know, I'm doing my best to get to mine 130. Thank you so much, Joy. Yours na. Okay, I'll give you a note for this one, para at least we have this on file. Okay. Okay. So, Joy, parang kung iisipin mo, no? Para kang nalibre ng isang bangle. Para kang nalibre ng more than a bangle. Okay? So, ladies, naka-wholesale ang bigay ko po kay Joy. Naka-wholesale. So, let me know if you want to pre-order rose gold, okay? In the next live. Because I'm going to ask my... Yes, I'm going to ask my supplier if she can provide me with new ones, new colors, okay? And oh my goodness, sold out ang ating rose gold. Thank you, Joy. Hold on, Joy, ha? I'll just use we have a sold out, and then ano ba tawag doon? Nakakalimutan, Buena Mano, okay? Hold on, Joy, ha? This one is yours. So, I don't have a code, Joy, kasi isa lang siya, okay? So, Joy, let's have a screenshot of your items. Oh, finally, may rose gold na. Teka, screenshot ko lang, Joy, para hindi ka mahirapan. Screenshot ko from here. Okay, so, Joy, these are six gorgeous. Iniisip ko kanina, sabi ko si Joy hindi sumagot sa message ko, baka mag-mine na lang siya sa live, okay? I think tama yung aking inisip. Thank you, Joy. Oh, finally may rose gold ka na. Okay, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Grabe, ang ganda nito. Okay. There you go. So, I also have, balik na natin, ha? How much was each? Okay, Aji, ito kasi rose gold. It's actually $25 each, okay? But I gave a bundle to Joy because she got all the colors that I have. So, I gave her a $15 discount for the six bangles. So, the whole actually wholesale ng 25 because they're selling this 35 to 45, okay? But anyway, you know, I'm also praying that I'll get another supplier who can provide me with better pricing. So marami akong kinakausap ngayon, but they don't have the rose gold. Only one supplier has it. So I think I'm going to stick with her because she is the only one who has this kind of bangle, okay? So thank you so much, Joy, for your mind. So I'm not so sure. Siguro mamaya na lang ako mag-share. Hindi ko na share. Hold on, baka kasi magalit yung ating mga kaibigan. Ay, naku, tatay ko, nalaglag na naman yung aking, sandali lang po, nalaglag na naman yung aking computer, Oo, sige. Actually, Aji, kung gusto kang color, let me know. So I can pre-order. Papa, mukhang hindi kasi ako marunong dito sa ano ko po eh. Sandali lang po, ha. I have some problem with my... Ayan, okay, nakuha ko na. Alright, so I'm going to... Galing Buena Mano and Kleng Kleng in one go. I know. Okay, next tayo. Actually, ladies, may mga dumating tayong damit. May parating din. Actually, this one is, kasya ito sa small. Pinagkasya ko sa small to XL. Pinagkasya ko sa sarili ko kasi, ano siya, ayan na nag-i-stretch ito. At ito ay padded. Hello, Papa.
Burning computer.
No, okay, nalaglag lang pa. Oh, thank you. Ate, if you ever find my purple click lock in rose gold, I want, please. Okay, so I will definitely find you sana because this is the only, binigyan lang niya ako, ito lang 6 colors available. Wala na, hindi pa kami nagmamanufacture. So I said, beggars can't be choosers or get everything. Ang mahal ng bigay niya sa akin. Grabe. You would not believe it. It's in line of 2. Line of 2. But I'm just giving it, parang, thank you ko yan. I'm giving it at cost, Joy. Ang mahal niya binigay sa akin, $23 each. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that ang mahal ng bigay niya sa akin, kinuha ko pa rin. Sabi ko kasi wala talaga. No one ever actually gave me, sige akong source. So, habang meron ako, kunin nyo kaagad, okay? So, for me, I can definitely wait for it, okay? Baka magkaroon pa sila. Now, I have another color that is not in rose gold. This is in gold. Okay? So, this gold is also $25. Okay lang. No. I know may free shipping pa, di ba? May shipping pa tariff. Oo. It's okay. Basta, maranasan nyo muna itong quality nito. Kasi iba ang quality nito. It's actually coming from her. She said that iba-ibang quality. May copper. Yung copper daw nila magaganda. Copper, although she told me that ang stainless steel kasi hindi na daw masyadong nabibili ngayon. Mas gumaganda daw yung copper. So, I still wanted to find out, okay? But, this one is, she said, this one is a very good piece. At saka, this one has, actually, this is a stamp, okay? Yeah, this is a stamp. So, this one is really gorgeous. Okay, this one is really gorgeous, okay? So, if anyone wants this is a new color. I think I have 2 for the gold. So, this one is 25, okay? If anyone wants mine, new color, 25. Wala akong code ngayon kasi nakatayo ako. Okay, and for this is mine, 27. Okay? Ibalik ko na kayo dito for my, so, hindi kayo mahirapan, ha? I only have, bumalik na sa konti na lang ang nanonood sa atin. Sandali lang po, ha? I'm going to make sure na hindi ko kayo anong tawag doon? Dali lang po, ha? Ay, there you go. Alright. Andito tayo. Okay, this card. Okay. Alright. So, I'll bring you here. I know. Ang shipping ngayon, nag-i-increase po talaga. Kaya itong ibinibigay kong price sa inyo, get it. While I'm giving it, okay? So, I'm trying also her new item. This is actually the Chanel. This is so gorgeous. Sabi niya, this is a 2-in-1. This is a bracelet. Kaya mahaba siya. This can be used as anklet. Okay? This can be used as anklet. And also, this one. I'm trying this one. This is a new product from her. So, yeah. So, I only got this one piece for each. So, if anyone wants this, I can definitely, ngayon ko lang sinuot, I can definitely give it to you. If anyone wants. Okay, let's go. Alright. So, for this one, anong kaguluhan to? Nako, ikaw, Miss MJ. Ang tagal kitang hinintay. Sabi pa ni MJ, ate, ba't mo ako hinihintay? Okay, so this one is, huwag kayong mabibigla. Maganda kasi talaga ang kanyang quality. This one is $25. Pero, kung gusto nyo po, if you don't have any color of that one, you can let me know. Love the flower earrings. Yes. If you want this, may bago akong dumating, kaya lang konti lang, 2 lang yata. Okay, I actually sold this one before. 10 pieces, naubos po, okay? Kasi meron pong kumuha, okay? May mga resellers din po kasi tayo. So, ito, if you're not really, comfortable, first time that I have this, gorgeous. Tingnan nyo kung gaano siya kalaki, ha? Look at this. Ito yung, this one is my waterproof. And this one is my stainless steel. This one. Okay? Okay, so, tignan nyo kung gaano siya kaliit. This one is my stainless steel. Okay? It has no stamp, but this is waterproof 18K plated. This one is only stainless steel. However, mine 27, mine 25. Okay. Nasaan yung 27, Joy? Ay, ito, mine 27 at mine 25. Okay, sige. I'll give that to you, Joy. Alright? Hindi ko pa sinasabi ang presyo, nag-mine ka na. Joy, the price for this one will be the same as the price that I gave you for the, sandali lang ha. So you're going to get this one for only $22.50, okay? So that's the price that I gave. Kasi you have 6 already, okay? So now this is your 7th bangle for today only. Okay, $22.50 for you, Joy. And this one is actually 27. Okay, hold on. I still have 27 ladies. So if anyone wants, I think I only have 1 left. Okay. So this one is yours, Joy. Let me take a note. 27. This one is for code 27. Okay. Joy, can you screenshot this little baby for me, please? So tamang-tama, kunuha mo na yung gold kasi ito na lang talaga. Joy, this is $22.50 for you. But ladies, this is $25. I gave this wholesale to Joy because she already got 6 bangles earlier. Makapal. Ayan ang bangle niya. Ang kapal niya. Okay? So, bagong item. Alright? So, this one is yours, Joy. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 for the code 27. Okay? And then another one, she wants to mine the 25. Okay, the 25 is green, okay? I have a lot of this. Alam nyo kung magkano ko lang? The manipis one lang. I have the manipis one lang. And it's also waterproof. Sandali lang, MJ. This one, magkano ito? Sandali lang. Kung tama ang memory ko. Kasi, hold on. Mura lang yan. Napakamura po. Sa totoo lang. Tuwang-tuwa ako dyan. Yan ang pinakamurang natuwa ako. Hold on po, ha? Ay! Yes. Nasa wholesale din yan po. Naka-wholesale ito, mga ladies. Grabe, naka-wholesale ako. Kaya kung wala kayong malalaking ganito, if you don't have any malalaki, this is the malaki. Okay, I'll have this one. Actually, I want everyone to see how big this one. I'm going to wear it. I want the clip one, ate. Meron ba yung clip type? Are we speaking about, MJ, yung gusto mo yung, bangle na Hermes? Yun ba yung gusto mo? Bangle na manipis, okay? Bangle na manipis. Hold on po, ha? Okay. Hold on lang, my dear. Binenta ko lang, if we're talking about the bracelet or the bangle. Yes po. If we're talking about the bangle, ang mura lang, MJ. Wholesale price ko lang din yan. You would not believe it. Nahihirapan akong magsuot, Joy. Si ate mo nahirapan magsuot. Matanda na kasi. Yung kamay nanginginig na. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makita yung ano, sa likod ng ano. Alam mo, lagi nandyan si Kuya Gary mo para ako isuot sa akin eh. Ayan, oh, Joy, ang laki niya, alright? Compared to my teeny-weeny na Hermes na waterproof stainless steel. This is waterproof stainless steel 18K. And this one is only stainless steel, Joy. However, Joy, as you can see closely, nandyan yung kanyang stamp, okay? The stamp of H, no? No brand mentioning, okay? The stamp of H is there. All right, so you want to mind this? I'm just giving this for only $15. Oh my goodness. That's a wholesale price. $15. That's yours, okay? Oh yes. You know what? Get it, get it. Well, I still have more. Okay. Stamp. Yes, this is a stamp. Hermes. Oh no, I just said it. This is a stamp H, okay? For only $15 wholesale price. No more bundle. I'm giving this at a wholesale price for $15. And this one is oversized, okay? This one is oversized. So this one is yours, Joy. Tapos puntahan na kita, MJ, ha? Sandali. Ano ko lang ito kay Joy? Si Joy, kinuha lahat yung bangles ng rose gold. Konti pa lang yung tao, nag-mine na siya. Ang cute mo talaga, Joy. 25. Sabi pa na ibang tao siguro, ay, wala na. Pabilisan lang talaga po. Okay, maglalabas ako mamaya ng mga $6. Abangan nyo, ha? Waterproof. Okay, this one, Joy, yours. Okay? So, this is for code 25, ladies, if you still want it. I don't have the earrings. Ilalabas ko sana pag meron. But I don't have the earrings yet. Okay, thank you, MJ. Oh, Joy, this one is yours. $15 lang. Joy, wala ka pa nito. Ewan ko, bakit ayaw mong kunin? This is your color. This is fuchsia, okay? Alright, this one is yours. Joy, screenshot mo na ba? So, I can go to Madam MJ over here. MJ, itong ibibigay ko sa'yo, MJ. This is PVD waterproof 18K plated. Pwede mong isuot araw-araw, maligo ka. Mag-shower ka. Thank you, Joy. Mag-shower ka. This one is the real shebang bang. But there's no stamp on it. This is another supplier who actually gives me a PVD. Okay? PVD 18K waterproof. And this one will have our logo, so you would know exactly if we deliver the item, you know that the item is waterproof and 18K plated. For this, this is $18, but I'm giving it for $12 tonight. $12 today. Kaya maghanap na kayo ng mga color. Iisa-isahin ko, okay? So for this black gold, if you want this one, no bundle. This is a wholesale price for $12. Mine 10. Mine 10 for $12. Next. I'm gonna give you all the colors so you don't have to ask me. These are the available colors. Okay? And then I'm beginning to just give you the gold ones. Okay? And then later the silver ones. Now for the orange. For the orange H. Okay? I love to wear this. You know, the H. And I have all the colors. Pareho kami ni Joy. And then I have all the colors of this already. Kasi, you know what? It's so gorgeous on your wrist. The thin ones together with this, ang ganda po. So, ganyan ang gawin ninyo. You have the thin and also remember, Joy, we have all the Hermes, the H bangles before na nakalagay sa buong arm. But this one is really gorgeous. So if you want this one, the code for this, okay, the code for this is Mine 8. Mine 8 for only $12. Super, super gorgeous. And this one, hindi po siya magta-tarnish. This will last you from 5 to 10 years. Okay? Next gold. Okay, next gold. Alright, tingnan po ninyo. Baka ito yung mga color na hinahanap niya na. I have the purple, Joy. If you're looking for purple, I have the H. I have the H, but this is waterproof. Okay, this is waterproof and thin. Mine 29. Mine 29 for the purple gold. Then next, gold as well, okay? Gold again for $12, okay? $12. This is red, okay? The red one, the red one. Nalalaglag sa'yo, oo nga. Sa akin hindi. Talaga nalalaglag sa'yo, Joy. Sige, it's okay. But this one, para siyang milak ng konti. Ito, medyo siya masikip, Joy. Ito. Hindi siya yung mabilis lang iyan. But, you know, try mo lang. Ito, because this one is stainless steel. Pero nalalaglag daw, sabi ni Joy. So, I don't want to push you kasi nalalaglag sa'yo. For this one, mine 9 for the red is $12, okay? Next, the white ones. I have the white. So, I only have 5 colors. 5 colors for the thin ones, okay? This is, ang kagandahan nito, the advantage of this one is it's waterproof, 18K plated, okay? And it's PVD, okay? Napakaganda, okay? So, this one is mine 30 for the, for this one, okay? Alright, next. Okay, I have 5. Okay, I have 5 colors for the thin ones for only $12 wholesale price. This is waterproof. The first time ever that we have this one. I kept on searching and finally I have this on waterproof 18K plated. This is our, I would say, pinaka-elite ko na jewelry because of its waterproof 18K plated component. Okay? Mito, kaya gusto ko sana clip 1 kasi nalalag din. Oh, nalalaglag din sa'yo. So, I'm so sorry. Wala talaga ako. For now, I can't find a clip 1 for the thin ones. Okay? So, wala talaga ako. Okay? So, next po, for the $12 na silver. Okay. Ang ingay nitong ano ko Okay, hold on. Sandali lang mga ladies. Bakit nalalaglag sa inyo? Oh, bakit kaya, no? Anyway, it's okay. We'll keep on looking. Baka next year meron na. Alright, for the silver one, a silver purple. Look at this. It's so gorgeous for $12 only. Mine 39 for $12, okay? Next. I'll just give you all the colors, then the screenshot, everything, okay? And then this one is also the silver black. I have it for $12, mine 20. All right. Then, ladies, this is $18, okay? Hanggat sinisale ko po ng wholesale, kunin nyo po. Magarsaw lang ata ako. Okay, so for this, for this is actually my 19 for the red silver. Oo nga, bakit nga ano sa inyo nalalaglag. Pero ito, ang kagandahan dito, medyo masikip ito. Itong napansin ko sa kanya. So, masikip siya. Alright? Medyo hindi siya kaagad, medyo may pagkamatigas. Okay? Yun lang napansin ko. Compared to our first ones, yung mga in-offer namin last time, all stainless steel lang po yun, okay? Stainless steel. But this one is, you know what? The silver are really gorgeous. I love it. For fall, this one is really good for fall. Mine 18 for this, for $12. As I've said, this is $18. Selling for $18. I'm giving it for $12. So you have $6 off. So, habang binibigay ko na $12, you utilize that one, okay? Because this one is actually selling for 18 po. 18. Okay, so this one, 18 per piece. If you want the white, it's 40, okay? Next tayo. Okay, so for you to appreciate yung ating waterproof, I'm going to share with you my waterproof. Patuloy kong isinishare si waterproof. Sexy daw mga wrist namin. Oo, I know. Okay. So, does anyone still want to get this one? It's only for $15, this one. This, tingnan nyo yung white. But this one is really minimalist. Okay. The tiny white. Waterproof, 18K this one. Okay. This one is actually an oversized and stamped. Okay, this one is a stamp. You can see it at the side of the H. So if anyone wants this one, I'm only selling this for only, ganun kaagad na, for only $10. $10 for this. So if you want this white, waterproof 18K, it's only $10. You can mine it, mine 44. And if you want to mine the orange for only $10, mine 54. And if you want the red one, mine 64. And if you want the black, okay, the black is 74. Okay, all right. So this one is the only available colors on waterproof and 18K plated. Okay. Now I also have some you could actually match this one with earrings and bangles then. Okay, with earrings and bangles. Now if you want to get a whole set, that's only selling for $22. Okay, biruin nyo, this one is 10, and then you have the bangle which is 12. That's already 22, but she's giving actually parang free nyo na yung earrings. So if I were you, you get the whole set, because getting a whole set is really very advantage. It will give you a good, a good price. Okay, so if you want this black, it has actually waterproof H black with the earrings and necklace for only $22. Okay, so if you want this one, okay, I'll give you a code for this. The code is, okay, hold on po ha. Bakit siya walang code? Okay, the color na lang ang code. Code black, $22. Code black for $22. This is waterproof 18K plated. Hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo. Itaga nyo man yan sa bato. Itaga sa bato, ano? This one, look at this, $12 plus, where's the, hindi ito, mali. $12, this one, the bangle, plus 10, it's already 22. This one is 12. So 22 plus 12, how much? Nasa 34. It's almost 35, but it's selling only for $22. So if I were you, mine orange. Mine orange for 22. Next. Okay, another one. Okay, another one. Waterproof 18K, red. Okay, red. For only $22. Okay? Ngayon, if you want, I have already this one and that. Can I get the, Yes, I can definitely give, but medyo mahal po siya, ha? Sinasabi ko lang kapag pa isa-isa. Now, if you get the set, it's actually only for $22. Okay? So that's it. Just mine white for the set, mine red, mine orange, and mine black. I only have 4 colors, okay? 4 colors here. Ang gawin mo, MJ, meron akong gustong i-offer sa iyo, MJ. Okay? Baka gusto mo lang. You're looking for white. If you want, this is also H. This is H. This is the pig nose style of the bangle. This one, hindi na talaga malalaglag sa iyo to, okay? Push down, push and pull, okay? Push it, parang ganyan, push and pull. Kaya lang hindi ko alam yung tingnan ko ang size nito. Kung ano yung size na magkakasya sa iyo. Alright, hold on lang. This one is up to size 20 lang. Baka hindi mag-ano sa iyo. This is only up to size 20. Okay, I have all the colors for the pig nose. So for the pig nose, this is also waterproof and 18K plated. Okay, ang ganda niya. All right. This one is selling for $18, and if you get 2, it's 2 for $35, okay? So I have all the colors. So I have all the colors. I'm gonna give this one a code kasi marami na tayong code kanina, okay? Just wanted to let you know, okay, I have 4 oversized necklaces, ha. Wala po itong partner, okay? Talagang nung binili ko is actually walang partner yan. Tingnan nyo yung regular natin na waterproof, maliit lang siya. This one is the oversized. This one has stamp. I'm just letting those who are new, bago lang na nag-check-in, that we have this in white, black, and a green. Oh my goodness, the green is so gorgeous. This one, I love it. And also the other fuchsia pink. I love this fuchsia pink, okay? So that's a new color ng H namin, okay? Now, for those who want to buy these items, medyo ang dami kong ipapakita sa inyo ngayon. Kaya mag-split ako. I'm going to be with you from until 4 o'clock. Okay, until 4 o'clock. And then I will be back after an hour at 5 o'clock. Okay, so from 5 to 7, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Okay, now, if you want to see some bags, let me know. Okay, I can definitely go there. So now, let's go for this pig nose. Okay. Hi, Sylvia! Kumusta ka na, my dig? Nagbakasyon grande itong babaeng ito. Kumusta ka na? How are you? Nasa US ka na ba? O nasa ano ka pa rin? Out of the country ka pa rin? Okay, ladies, if you want this one, mine 37 for the pig nose green. Okay? Alright. This one is $18, but if you wanna buy, 2, it's going to be $35. Now, if you want to buy 5, I'm going to give you a bundle. But I will just say the bundle once you buy. You confirm to buy 5, okay? And this one is the white one, the white pig nose. Okay, I wanted to just show this one to you real quick. All right. Hold on po, ha? Hello, 7. How are you? I was hoping to get really good viewers kasi sabi ko nga, maaga ako, baka konti lang. Okay, so this one is a gorgeous waterproof 18K plated PVD. It will last from 5 to 10 years. It will not tarnish. It will not actually, yung gold is still the same gold, you know. And ito, I'm good. Nandito ako sa... Oh my goodness, bakasyon grande talaga ang aking kaedegan. Okay? But anyway, you know, you enjoy your time themselves. Okay? So if anyone wants this one, this is the code for the white. Okay? The code for the white is mine 100 for the white for only $18. Mine 100 for the white for $18 only. Okay? This one is up to size 20. It fits up to size 20. Next. We have more colors. Okay, this is a new color that we have. Thank you for tuning in, Silsa. I know you're busy back there. This is a new color. Okay, so if anyone wants this, actually this is a combination of like taupe, I guess. Mine 25. 25. Mine 26. Mali ako ng basa. Mine 26. Okay, Joy, this one is yours. The 26, this is fuchsia. Oh my goodness. This one is super gorgeous. Hold on. This one is only for $15, the 26, okay? Mine 26, I'll get one for you, Joy. Okay. Marami po ako niyan. Talagang dahil sa nagkakaubusan, nako, kumuha ako ng marami po. Okay? Kaya, nakakuha ko na magandang price. Okay? So, nakakuha ko na magandang price. Okay. Okay, Joy, this one is yours. This is a good price for this gorgeous H. It has a stamp, okay? May stamp yan. 26, code 26 for only $15. Huwag kang mag-alala, Joy. Baka itong bago kong kausap ay magbigay sa akin ng ganito. But, alam mo, mukhang siya wala. Ito lang si old supplier ko ang meron nito. Kaya tuwang-tuwa ako na nagkaroon siya eh. Okay, so, that one is yours. I'm so happy about that, you know, getting that one. Okay, so next, ladies. Okay, there you go. This one is parang taupe color. This is our new color. So, if anyone wants this, the taupe color, taupe color, this one is 84. Mine 84 for $18. Okay, $18, but you know, I can definitely provide a bundle for those who want to collect a lot. Marami kasi tayo dito, maraming gustong mag-collect, di ba? So, alright. Marami pa po akong parating na bangles. I'm praying na dumating. Nakakaawa naman. Praying na dumating. Kasi po, minsan, yung kaibigan natin sa customs po, mahirap kausap. Okay, mahirap kausap. Now, I have this, another one. Grabe po, ang mumura ko lang po binibigay ito. This waterproof 18K po, it's selling for $45 po, okay? This is our new color, okay? Kakaiba siya. This one, if you look at, pakita ko lang sa, this is baby pink. Parang super light pink, okay? Para na rin siyang white. This is our white, okay? This is our white. Mine 100 for the white. This is the white. This is the clean white. This is the light pink. Di ba para siyang, you know, para siyang baby pink, okay? This is also our new color, the baby pink, okay? So if you want the baby pink, this is the code for the baby pink. Hold on po, ha? Okay, for the baby pink, our code is 85. Baby pink is 85. Ayan mismo ang color po, kung makikita po ninyo. Ay, maganda yung ating lighting dito, ah. Pinakikita talaga. Kaya pag malayo, kung titingnan nyo white, ano? Parang white, okay? But that's baby pink. Mine, 85 for $18. Okay, next. Let me know kung masyado akong mabilis po, ha? Okay, I can definitely give you another para one time. Hold on. Mga ladies, hello 7 ladies. Okay, this one is our red. Okay, ang ganda nito. Hold on po, ha. This can fit up to size 20 size 20 na mga wrist, okay? Size 20 na wrist. Okay, ayan po siya. Ang ganda niya. Alright. This is my click lock, okay? H click lock. Ito, tingnan mo siya. You know, it's really good to have combination of different sizes. This one is the next size. Tapos, ito yung pinaka manipis, okay? The manipis one, okay? The manipis one is this, okay? Alright. So, if you want to mine this one, just mine 86 for the red. Mine 86 for the red. Okay, mine 86 for the red. Okay, next. Already. Oop, meron pa pala tayo. Another color. Okay, tatlo silang parang white. This is parang light beige, okay? This is the light beige, okay? It's not actually white. Yan, tingnan niyo po. It's off-white, I would say. It's an off-white, okay? This off-white is also for $18. If you get 2, it's $35. If you get 5, I will give you a bundle for the 5, okay? Okay, so this one is mine 75 for the off-white. Okay? Next. Mukhang ito na yata lahat ang color ko. Okay, baka may nakaligtaan ako. I just wanted to actually give you again the colors. Especially this Christmas na, mag-start na po kayong you give mag-start na kayong ng mga pangregalo, di ba? For your loved ones. And I have gray pa pala. Okay, I have the gray one. For those who hasn't tried the gray, this is the gray one. The gray, this one is so gorgeous. Alright, ayan po siya. Ang ganda po ng pagkakagawa nito because this is waterproof, 18K plated for a very low price of $18. Okay? So if anyone wants this color, I'll give you the code for that one. Okay, the color for this, ang cute niya. Para siyang light purple pero hindi po. Pag ganyan ang kulay niya talaga. Ayan, gray. Mine 87 for that. Okay, mine 87. Next, let me check kung lahat ba naibigay ko na yung color sa inyo. I gave you, yung orange, meron akong orange din if you want, okay? So, halos kompleto po ako. I bought all the colors available. So, meron kayong pagpipilian, okay? So, other than this, wala na po. This is the only available colors, pati sa supplier. So if you want this one, the orange one is really perfect for fall for only $18 po. $18 for this. Mine 88, okay? Okay, we have everything na covered, okay? We have everything covered. I don't have silver. They haven't released silver for Tignos. This is also H po ha, H items, okay? H items. Okay, I think we're going to the next items na. Okay, I will remove this one and then we'll go to the next tray. Okay. Okay. Please bear with me po. Mabilis tayo, di po ba? Masaya po ako at bumibilis tayo ngayon. Okay. Bumibilis si tendera. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. Just wanted to let you know if you still want it. I'm going to actually show this again at 5 o'clock para dun sa mga hindi po nakakita. But anyway, I might or I may. Okay? Next, tray. Hold on lang po, ha? Our next tray would be okay. This area, itong sa right ko po, this one. Hold on. So this one po is actually new ones, okay? Ito last time I actually mentioned this one, but just to make sure if anyone wants, okay? So the tiff here, okay, the tiff, okay, as you can see, the tiff ring is actually waterproof 18K. Okay, this is PVD po. Okay, this is PVD, that one. Okay, that one is so gorgeous. Super, super duper gorgeous. Sandali lang po, ha? Ayan po siya. That one is so it's on wholesale price, okay? I'm giving you a wholesale, not a retail price, okay? Even if you buy one for now, this one is actually my gift. My gift for everyone. It's actually waterproof, 18K plated, but it's only selling for $6, okay? This is a TIFF ring, okay? This is a TIFF ring. If anyone wants to see our I have Sanrio collection for kids, okay? I haven't had a chance to actually show you those. So this is how it looks on your kamay, okay? So there's a plain tee and a diamond studded, only for $6, okay? So if anyone wants this, mine 87 for this, okay? Mine 87 for this. Okay, look at how gorgeous they are, okay? Mine 87 for this, for only $6, okay? Next, magandang regalo, pang regalo. Ladies, I will tell you, you will never go wrong giving this gift to special people because the quality, I can vouch for the quality. This is waterproof, 18K plated. Kahit araw-arawin nilang isuot, okay? However, pag sobrang nyo namang kahit real gold nga, pag inano nyo, inabuso nyo, hindi siya nagiging maganda, di ba? So, dapat ingatan din natin because we're not buying a real gold. We're just buying a waterproof 18K plated. But it will last for 5 to 10 years, okay? Next, ito yung bagong dumating. I know that some of you will not be happy because you don't have your size, okay? This is the only one left. I have size 6 for code 79. We'll go here. For code 79, this is size 6, my size, okay? Size 6, my size. Look at that. This is LV ring, okay? This is my size, size 6, okay? Ladies, limited lang po ang nakuha ko, alright? If anyone wants this, hold on po, ha? Okay po, ano ba yan? Sandali lang po. Alright, I have size 6 and size 8 for this style. Size 6, 7, and 8. I have size 6, 7, and 8 for this style. And it's selling for $10. If anyone wants, mine 79 and mention your size. The only size available is 6, 7, and 8. So if anyone wants this, mine 79 for only $10. Mine 79 plus the size, okay? Gorgeous. Next. Napakaganda nito. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm definitely, I already got one for myself, this one. Next item, next po. I have size 9 for this next item. For those who have a size 9 size, this one is also gorgeous. This is my size 9. Hold on po, ha? This is my size 9, alright? My goodness gracious, this one is actually with padlock design. I think this one has an LV padlock. This is also LV. Ayan, LV, okay? This one is LV padlock. Alright. And this one is also size 9. An LV, okay? An LV size 9. If anyone wants this, mine 97 for this. Mine 97 for size 9. I only have size 6 and size 9. Okay, size 6 and size 9. Mine, 97 for this. Ang ganda po nito. Alright. Size 6 and size 9. The other one, I have size 6, 7, and 8. This is size 9 po. Ganda niya. Alright. I'm not so sure if Joy is still around. Joy, maganda ito. I know your size 9 yata, di ba? So this one is really gorgeous. Okay. Anyway, yan lang po ang dumating na mga bago kong rings. Okay. And also, the Hermes, this is the H, this is waterproof po. Okay. Waterproof for $6 only. Okay. For this one, mine 88 for $6. Okay. Ayan po siya. I also have an H for gold. This one is also a waterproof 18K, okay? And this one is also waterproof 18K. It has a different code, 88, because this is white and this one is gold, okay? For $6. Oh my goodness. Nah. All right. I'm still here, ate, but my fingers have shrunk. Size 8 na lang ako. Oh, that is very good. So may size 8 ka dito, Joy. Kung gusto mo, may size 8 ako. Ito, Joy, oh, ang ganda nito. This one is only $10, Joy. Size 8. Ang cute-cute niya. O, diba? Meron din siyang padlock. Okay, so this is an LV ring, size 8, for only $10. So if anyone wants this, the LV, I have 6, 7, 8 for this design. Mine 79 for this. Mine 79 for this. Okay. Next, I think we're done. Okay? Kasi yung iba na, I've already shown you this. Yung ano lang po, ang meron tayong bago, yung ating, but if anyone wants to see this, no, I'm going to show you. Okay, from top to bottom. This one is a gorgeous, this one is actually my watch ring. Hindi siya watch, pero watch style ring, okay? So if you want it in gold, mine 53. Mine 46 for the silver. Ate, anong mga clip type earrings mo? Marami. Ang dami kong clip type earrings. Okay, so this one is, pakita ko sa'yo, kasi si MJ, kanina pa siya naghahanap. Sandali, MJ, ha? Hindi ko na ibigay yung ni MJ. Dito tayo kay MJ, okay? Pasensya na kayo, ha? Pupunta po ako sa waterproof ngayon. Okay, waterproof na mga earrings. Okay? Hold on lang po mga dears. We're going to show you those gorgeous ones, alright? May parating pa ako, MJ, pero hindi pa siya dumarating, A new ones. Oh, but for now, ito muna tayo. Okay? Ito muna tayo. Okay, impisahan natin sa tray 1 first. Tray 1. I'm not so sure, MJ. Baka mamaya nakita mo na rin ito. Kasi I reordered kasi some of the items. So, okay. Abangan nyo po yung Chanel. Ilalabas ko rin mamaya, ha. Marami po akong Chanel na ilalabas. At actually, yung iba yata, MJ, nakita mo na ito. Kasi nag-reorder ako. Yung iba kasi naubos. So, I have those. Alright. So, these are all my waterproof 18K plated. This is a faux pearl, but this one is actually waterproof, 18K plated. Saka, sandali lang po para hindi kayo mahirapan. Nahirapan kasi ako, kaya sabi ko, para hindi kayo mahirapan, ayan, ganyan ang gagawin natin ngayon. Mas maganda. Okay? Sino yung inuubo, Joy? Si ano? Aray ko. Sino inuubo, Joy? Yung si baby ano? Okay, there you go. Mukhang Okay, so there you go. Okay. Oh, si Teddy. Oh my goodness. Ano nangyari kay Teddy girl? Teddy boy. Ano nangyari kay Teddy boy? Okay, this one is actually faux pearl, but this one is waterproof, 18K plated, and this is a stamp. Ladies, stamp ito. Okay, kita niyo yung brand? That's the brand. Okay, this is faux pearl, and the brand is that one, the one that you're seeing. Okay, ladies, I'm just giving this for $8 tonight. $8 as a wholesale price. I'm going to put this one in 22. Okay, if anyone wants that one, it's actually 22 for $8. Ayan, yan ang sinasabi namin, Joy. Kaya si nung nagbakasyon kami, Faith told me, Mom, I don't want you to put our babies at the hotel because we don't know if they're vaccinated or what they can get from the hotel. So, kaya talagang nagbakasyon si Faith para lang mabantayan yung mga babies namin. Because she doesn't want them to mingle with other cats na baka mamaya, I know that they're vaccinated, but, we can't really, kaya lang wala na talaga kaming magawa noon. Pero si Faith nagbakasyon just for that, okay? To take care of the babies. Ay, naku, ang hirap magkasakit yan sila. Even nga si Luna pag humahatching na, nag-aalala na kami. Because napaka, ng mga bata, masyadong sila. Okay, so ladies lang ito, $8 lang, and it's really gorgeous. Sige, pakita ko sa inyo using tenga para makita nyo how good it is. How gorgeous it is. Malapit na ba ako magpaalam? Kasi hanggang 4 lang po ako tapos babalik ako. Babalik ako at 5. Okay, magpapahinga lang po si seller. Tingnan niyo po kung gaano siya kaganda. And then, hindi siya mukhang cheap. Alright? Hindi siya mukhang cheap. Napakaganda for $8. And this is branded earring, Branded earring po, $8 lang. Tapos, waterproof. Ngayon lang po ako nagkaroon because my supplier, may limited lang po ang kanyang mga waterproof na branded. Hindi lagi. Okay, so for this one, mine 22. Ayan na po, mine 22 sa kanya yan. 20 minutes. Okay, so yan. Alright. Next. Let me know kung may mga gusto kayo para dun ako focus, okay? Rather than mag-intay kayo. We only have limited time. Let me know kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo, okay? Ate, do you have this? Okay, so now ito yung ito yung mga dumating ko. Alam mo, oh my goodness. I tell you, this is a very gorgeous earring. Ang sarap-sarap po. Pinalitan ko na yung, kasi matagal ko nang sinusuot yung everyday earring ko, pambahay ko. Alam nyo po, hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo nito. Okay? This one, okay? I want you to try our waterproof 18K hoop earrings. Napakaganda. Ang sarap sa tenga po. I promise, I'm using halos lahat ng mga earrings dito, tinatry ko. Pinantutulog ko to. Okay, mine is the green one. Okay, that's my favorite color. For this one, I'm going to give this one also $10. Lahat po ng waterproof natin, nasa $10 lang ngayon. I actually sell it $12 wholesale dati. Ngayon, naka-sale ang wholesale. Kung wholesale na nga, naka-sale pa. Ano ba yan? So, this one is for $10 only. Okay? For the white. Okay? Next. I have 2 whites available na lang. Okay? I only have 2 whites available. That's waterproof 18K. Okay? Next. I only have 18, ilang minutes na lang. Okay? Anyway, it's okay. I have this color. Ladies, it's like you're buying a real gold. Okay? That's the quality of my earrings. This one is like you're really buying a real gold. Okay? So this one is only for $10. I'll put it here. 52. Okay? Abangan nyo mamaya yung iba ko pa pang ilalabas po na branded, ha? Okay. So, MJ, kung hindi mo siya type, let me know, ha? Magpupunta ako sa iba. Alright? But anyway, baka yung iba po na naghahanap din ng ganyang klaseng mga earrings. Mga everyday earrings na you don't need to red. Oh, you got lucky. Kasi yan yung actually, you know what? Yan kasi ang aking, what you call this? Introductory price. Okay? That's my introductory price. And this one is actually mga ano na. Ito na yung mga bagong stocks na dumating sa akin. Naubos na yung mga $5 ko dati. Okay? So this one is actually mine. May black din. Okay? $10 din ito. Black. Okay? Black. Okay? This one is super gorgeous. Okay? There you go. Okay? 62 for the black. Oh, mine 32C Joy is white. Okay, I'll give that one to you, Joy. So this one will be placed in a different pocket. Okay, containing the tag that says waterproof and 18K. Oh, but wala pa po akong pang earrings, kaya pasensya na. Hindi ako makakapagbigay ng ganito, no. So pang set lang kasi yung akin. Ito Joy, but this is I will put some note. Okay, so this one is, that was my introductory price. Oo nga, sa totoo lang, nakakatuwa. Okay, so this one, actually yung bigay ko sa iyo, MJ, at cost ko yan, MJ. Okay, so kapag nag-introductory po ako at wholesale, abangan nyo lagi yun. Okay, so Joy, this one is yours, 32. Okay, mine 32 for Joy. For only $10. Mine, 32. And with the tariffs, of course, kaya po nag-increase ito. Kasi po nung binili ko po may tariff and ang shipping po malaki na talaga. Ewan ko ba kung bakit ganun sila. Ganun talaga po eh. Anyway, so Joy, can we have a screenshot? Okay. Okay, it's okay daw, sabi ni Joy. Can we have a screenshot of your beautiful, earrings, Joy? Joy, ako, tuwang-tuwa ako dito. Bili mo kahit nakapambahay ako, I have this, parang I feel so social. Pantulog ko pa, pinantutulog ko pa kasi hindi masakit sa tenga. How about you, MJ? Naipantulog mo ba ito? Kasi ako na-try kong pantulog, MJ. Ang sarap sa tenga. Okay, so anyway, if you will be collecting, I can bundle. Okay, if you want to buy 2, I can definitely give it for 2 for $18. Okay, 2 for $18. 2 for $18. Thank you, Joy. Next, eto bago ito. Ito bago ito. This one is parang pang kararating lang ito nung 2 weeks ago. Okay? Ayan. Ayan yan. Okay? Oo, kararating lang nito 2 weeks ago. This one is iba ang price nito. Okay? This one, I give this one for $8 only. Mine's 62. Okay, you get a 2 for 18, Joy. So this one will be $8 for you, okay? This one will be $8 for you now. 2 for 18. Okay, hold on, Joy, huh? Okay, so mine's 62 din daw si Joy. Okay. So this one will be $8 na lang, Joy. Ito talagang si ang cute mo talaga, my dear, MJ. Lagi yan si MJ, nakakatuwa na, kasi pag bumili siya, natataon niya ang mumura. Okay, so this one for $8, Joy, kasi nag-bundle tayo, 2 for 18. $10 siya, but if you buy 2 of this, 2 for 18. The other one was 10, and this one is 8. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Joy. O sige, ano ka na? Okay, for this one, mga ladies, napakaganda din. It's like a real gold. I'm just giving this one kasi wala po siyang, plain po siya. I'm just giving this one at a very good price of $8 po. Okay, $8. I'll put this one in 42. Okay, 42. Medyo malayo yung ating Okay, so this one is $8. $8 for only 42. Oh my goodness. Ganda. Next. Ito rin, bago ito. Okay. Ayan. Kaganda nito. These are all hoop earrings na you don't need to put anything. Grabe, ang ganda nito. Sandali, pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kaganda. Meron din ako nito. Oh, pag nagsha-shopping ako, ito naman ginagamit ko. Ang arte, sandali. Ay, nag-minus si Joy. Sandali lang, Joy, Ang arte, May kanya-kanyang earrings. May pang church. Ayan siya. Ladies. Okay. Lahat ng pure gold natin. Hindi naman pure. Lahat ng all gold natin na waterproof 18K, $8. Okay? I'm gonna put this one. Ayan siya. Ang sarap lang niya sa tenga. Ang ganda. Okay, Joy. Muna kita sa 42 mo, Joy. Baka makalimutan kita. Okay. Hold on, Joy, ha? So, this one is yours. 42. And $8, Joy. This one is yours, Joy. Mine, $8. This is waterproof 18K. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. Malapit na ba matapos? 10 minutes na lang yata. Okay, ladies, for this, this is also $8, okay? $8. I can bundle if you want to buy 2. It's going to be 2 for 15, okay? I'm going to put it here in 72. 72, also for $8, but if you buy 2 $8, it's going to be 15, all right? Thank you, Joy. Next. Ito yung favorite ko. Last 10 minutes. This is my favorite. I'm not so sure, Joy, kung I call this one Huggies. Grabe. 4 months sa akin. Tinanggal ko lang, nagsawa na ako kaya pinalitan ko ng ganito. Okay, syempre gusto ko rin maiba-ibang aking waterproof, Pero talagang I will tell you, this one is talagang masasabi ko, patok na patok. If you still want this one, I'm going to put it at 97 for only $6. This is really good pang regalo sa mga mahilig sa mga minimalist, okay? Mga minimalist na minsan kasi minimalist din ako pero malakihan ako mag-jewelry. But I still love this one para pambahay lang, okay? Kahit nasa ospital ako, Joy, nakasuot ako ng ganito at saka yung ganyan. Hindi ko tinanggal. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one is only for $6. Mine, 97. Okay, next, sabi pa ni Joy, I only have 9 minutes. Okay, 9 minutes. Another one. I have blue, okay? I think I have one like that na. Oh, you have one like that na. Oo, naalam mo ko yung Huggies, di ba? Yung inano natin. Okay, ayan. Bagong dating pero isa na lang ang dumating for the blue one, okay? So, I'm going to put the blue one under 62, okay? Under 62. So, if anyone wants this one, this is also waterproof. It's $10. I gave this one at 2 for 18K Joy. So, Joy, if you're gonna get one another, I know. Nakakatawa. So, if you want this one, I'm gonna give this one $9 to you, okay? $9 kasi ano natin yung mga nakuha mo na. Oh, sa totoo lang, Joy, hirap talaga. Okay? Next. Kasi ayokong mukha, may sakit na ako. Kawawa pa ako tingnan. Ano ba yan? Nakakaawa talaga. So, next ulit tayo. I'm gonna put this one out from the tray. So, para hindi po tayo malito at magkaroon ulit tayo ng bagong mga items, okay? Alright. Just let me know. Just screenshot what you want, you know? You can definitely screenshot and let me know. Oh, by the way, I wanted to get this one, okay? That's not a problem. Okay? You can definitely do that. Okay. Next naman tayo. Okay, this is also waterproof. First time that I have this one. It's actually malaki. Kaya lang sa totoo lang, gustong-gusto ko siya. I have one like this, okay? Naisuot ko na rin ito. This is Bottega, okay? Waterproof Bottega with pearls, okay? There you go. Medyo malaki talaga siya. Yan po siya. Oversized Bottega with pearls, okay? Alright. I have this one. I'll put it here. Tatanggalin ko muna natin lahat yung mga luma na po, ha? Bear with me. I'm going to clean the tray. Going to clean the tray just to make sure. I have that. Joy, mukhang ikaw lang yung minor ko ngayon. Tama ba ako? Meron ba nag-minor iba? Mukhang ikaw lang yan. Mukhang pangalan mo lahat yata nandito, Joy. Ay, nako, Joy. Okay. Talaga naman, ano, ang sarap lang mag-mine. Okay, so if anyone wants this, I'm giving this one for, grabe what, may konti lang po siyang bigat, pero hindi mabigat, okay? So, kung isusuot ko, nakasuot pala ako ng ano ngayon, I can definitely do that as well. Para makita nyo kung ano itsura niya kapag sinuot ko. Alright? Pag sinuot ko siya, oo nga. Yung iba, nasa manonood lang ako. Sabi ko nga kay Kuya Gary mo siya mag-live para makapagpahinga ako. Ayan siya. O, diba ang ganda? Super duper ganda niya. Ladies, bigay ko lang ito ng $12. Okay, $12. So, if anyone wants this, isa lang yata to, dalawa lang. Yung dumating sa akin na pearl BV na na waterproof in faux pearl lang ito, ha, faux pearl. Okay, if you want this is the code for this. Okay, hold on. Nakita niyo na, no? Ganda niya, no? Okay, this is the code for the for our BV. Okay, I'll put it in 60. I'll put it in 32. Okay, if you want this, mine 32, okay? Mine 32 for that. Okay, mine 32 for only $12. Okay? Napakaganda isuot po nito. Tingnan nyo. Pag nasuot nyo ito, ang ganda-ganda niya. Well, yeah. Next po tayo. Another BV with waterproof 18K. Waterproof 18K. Another BV. This is one of a kind BV. Hindi siya stainless steel. It's waterproof 18K. Okay? Ladies, na lahat po halos ng jewelry natin ngayon ay lahat ay waterproof 18K. Except for the branded, yung mga may coded. Kasi you can't have it all. Okay? This is my favorite. Meron din ako nito. Ay, nag-mine na si Joy. Ay, you're a sucker for... Pareho tayo, Joy. I love cluster pearls. Sa totoo lang. This is another... Oh, that one is yours. Sandali lang, Joy, ha? Okay. Ayos ko na. Mamaya makalimutan natin. Iisa na lang pala yan, Joy. Kasi sino kaya nag-mine yan last time? Oh, siya na lang ang natira. Plus yung sa akin. So, anyway, this one is yours for $12 only. Okay? This one is yours for $12 only. Okay, let me grab my 32 for $12. Joy. Pero mo yan. BV in cluster pearls, waterproof 18K pa. Okay, Joy? This one is yours. Thank you so much. Alright. This one is yours. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Tingnan mo ang gold, Joy, oh. Pagkaka-gold niya. Ang ganda, Joy. Okay? Kaya lang hindi ko nagustuhan dito yung ilalim. Hindi nila, siguro baka ganyan talagang design. Hindi naman kasi ako jewelry maker, no? Okay, so this one is only for $12. Waterproof, 18K plated. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Next, this is what I also love. Isa na lang kasi kinuha ko na yung isa. Nilagay ko sa aking, nag-ano ka agad, Kasi gusto ko kasi na hindi na mawala sa akin. So, naglagay na rin ako sa akin. Ayan siya. This is the BV style in rhinestone, okay? I'm not so sure if this is diamond studded style or the rhinestone style, but it is so gorgeous. Ayan, o, diba? It's a BV also for $12, okay? So, if anyone wants this, one na lang ang natira. Okay, one na lang natira. I'll put it under 22. Okay, under 22. This is the BV. Okay, our Veneta. Okay, our Veneta. For only $12. Waterproof 18K plated. Okay, mine 22. Next, I also have, this is a good thing. This is a good thing. It has a silver, okay? It has a silver, okay? The silver is actually gorgeous at isa na lang ang natitira. May kumuha po sa akin ito ng dalawa. Dalawa last time, okay? Konti lang binili ko nito, mga 5 lang yata. Okay, 5 pairs. So this one, if you want the silver, it just say mine 52. Ilagay natin kitenga, okay? Ilagay natin kitenga. Ayan, look at that. Oh my goodness, ang ganda niya. Okay, ang ganda niya, alright? For $12, mine 52. Mine 52 for $12. And mine 22 for the gold. Okay, ganda ito. Alright, next. Ito na ang last BV style that I have right now for oversized BV. Okay. My other oversized BV, I also have this in my I'm also, as a word ni Joy, I'm also a sucker of oversized BV. Yeah, I love it. Kasi nakita ko bagay sa akin. Bakit ba? Bagay sa akin, nakita ko eh. This is also a BV with diamond streak in the middle. Okay. Ay, nag-mine na si Joy. Mine 22 and 52. Okay, that's yours, Joy. Sige, pakita ko muna to, Joy, but I will not forget you. Okay, ha? Sandali lang, Joy. This one is super, super duper gorgeous. Look at that. Ang arte, diba? So, this one, I'll put it in 32. Eto, marami akong kinuha nito kasi sabi ng supplier ko, that one is madaling maubos. Wala na rin yan ngayon. Wala na rin yan ngayon. Pati itong kinuha ni Joy, wala na yan. Sorry po sa inyo, but magmamanufacture sila siguro by next time. Madali lang naman sila magmanufacture. So, hold on, Joy, ha? I will put that in for you. Okay. 22 is Joyce. Okay, hindi na ako nagkikleng-kleng, ano? Wala na ang 22, wala na rin 32. Okay? Oh, sold out. Okay, sold out for Joy. This one is yours. Pwede kong 20 to this one. $22. Grabe, ang mura lang, okay? Ang mura lang, Joy. Natutuwa ako, Joy. Mura lang, okay? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Ladies, wholesale price po yung mga binibigay ko ngayon, ha? Minsan nga, wholesale price ko, binabundle ko pa, okay? So, talaga pong masaya, di ba? Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan po tayong bumili. Marami namang nabibili pang high quality kahit mura. Naniniwala po ako doon. Nasa paghahanap lang. Okay? Mine 52, yours, Joy. Okay? Nasa paghahanap lang po. Okay, 52 for $12. Mamaya po yung mga bagong dating, marami pa po. Papakita ko mamayang 5 o'clock. Okay? Ladies, this one is your, Joy, this one is yours for the 52. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Joy. Alright. Now, ito na si 32. Si 32, if anyone wants this one, maganda din yan. Isuot ko, ha? Bago ako ay, 4 o'clock na! Sige, suot ko muna ito. 4 o'clock na pala. Mamaalam na ako dapat. Si Joy na pala yung aking last minor ngayon. Okay, Joy? Susot ko muna ito, ha? Okay? Para makita ninyo how good this one is. Ang ganda nito. Oh my goodness. Alright, ayan siya. Okay? That's how it looks. Kaya binili ko rin ito. Marami ako. I have a collection of all my BVs. They are in different styles. Okay? So, if you're going to buy this one, just take a look at that. Sa ears ko. Diba? It's not, although it's oversized, but it doesn't look like, you know, ay, nakakatakot ka naman. No. It's so gorgeous. Okay? Diba? So, tingnan nyo. Pakita ko po sa inyo ang how it looks siya. Ano ba yan? Kung saan-saan na ako napupunta po. Ayan po siya. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Okay? This one is how it looks talaga. Ayan siya. Alright. So, if anyone wants, mine 32. Mamamaalam na po ako. And I'm going to see you again at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Okay? So, if anyone wants this, mine 32 for only $12. Mine 32 for only $12. Grabe, ang mura po. Alright? Mine 32 for $12. Okay, I'm gonna see you again at 5 p.m. I'm only an hour away from our 5 p.m. live. Okay? I'm gonna see you again. Okay? So, ladies, mamamaalam lang muna ako sa inyo ngayon. Okay, and if anyone wants what I wear, I can definitely give it. This is a Camellia Pearl Chanel necklace, and I also have the Chanel necklace, and at the same time an anklet. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna see you again later. Sino po ba nandito na huli? Okay. See you later. Okay, Joy. I'm gonna see you later. Okay, bye. Bye.